Okay, let's have a look at these definite integrals then. We've got here. So the first one is sine 6x, so it's 1 over 6 cos 6x, isn't it, with a minus. Minus 1 over 6 cos 6x. So I've taken the minus 1 over 6 outside a bracket because it's easy to put outside the bracket because it's only a scalar multiple. And it then enables us not to put it inside. Minus 1 over 6. Put top value in, cos 6 pi. Minus bottom value, which is cos 0. 6 times 0 is 0. Cos 6 pi is 1. Cos 0 is 1, so this is equal to 1 minus 1 is 0. Oh, it's minus cos 6 pi minus 6x. Oh, x is pi over 6. So this would be cos pi, wouldn't it? 6 lots of pi over 6 is cos pi. That's minus 1. And this is 1. Minus 1 minus another one, minus 2. Minus 2 over 6 is a third. And the double minus makes it positive. So that works out as a third, doesn't it? So I'll just squeeze that in there. So a bit of a mistake there because I wrote pi. This one is 0 to pi cos x over 2. So the integral of cos a half x is a is a half. 1 over a half is 2 sine a half x. So it's 1 over a half sine x over 2. 1 over a sine ax. A is a half. Between 0 and pi. Now that 1 over a half is 2, so I'm just going to put that in as 2 because it's easier to work out then. So it's 2 sine of pi over 2 is top value, minus 2 sine bottom value, 0 over 2 is 0. Sine pi over 2 is 1. If you need to, check it on the calculator. Sine 0 is 0. So 2 times 0 is 0. So we've got 2. 2 lots of 1 is 2. Next one, raise the power by 1. Divide by that number. And then this 1 over a, so it would be 1 over 2, a half lots of that. That would be between 0 and 1. So it's 1 over 8. So I'm going to squeeze the 1 over 8 lots of outside this, put that number, and there's just 3 to the 4 is the top value then when you put x as 1 in. Take away, put 0 in, you get 1 to the 4. 81 minus 1 is 80. 80 over 8 is 10. Tap it in the calculator if you need to. Next one. Raise the power by 1. Divide by that 1 over a. Divide by that number, minus 1. And it's 1 over a, isn't it? That's what we've got. Now it's between 1 and 2. And that's equal to minus a quarter I'm going to take outside. And then I'm going to write this as 1 over 4x minus 3. And that's to work out between 1 and 2. Minus 1 quarter. Top value, put 2 in. 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 3 is 5, so it's a fifth is the top value. Take away the bottom value, put 1 in. 4 1s are 4. 4 minus 3 is 1. 1 over 1 is 1. So what does that equal? Minus 4 fifths over 4 is minus a fifth. So it's plus a fifth, isn't it? Or 0.2. Next one, raise the power by 1. 3 over 2 goes to 5 over 2. Divide by that number, 5 over 2. It's 1 over a, which is 3. So we've got that. Between minus 1 and 0. Now the 2 swings up to the top, so I'll put that in now. And the 3 5s are 15. So it's 2 15s, isn't it? So I'll put that in up here. 2 lots over 15. We could put the 15 underneath if we wanted. So let's have a look at that. So it's 2/15. Top value, take bottom. So what have we got? Put naught in. 3 noughts are naught plus 4 to the 5 over 2. So 4 to the 5 over 2, which is written scruffily, I know. 4 to the 5 over 2. Minus, and then put minus 1 in, and you will get minus 3 plus 4 is 1. Is 1 to the 5 over 2. Okay, so type that in a calculator if you need to. This is 4 to the half is 2. 2 to the 5 is 32. Minus 1. Yeah, 32 minus 1 is 31 times 0 is 62 over 15. Which is 4 and 2/15 if you want to work out the fraction, but 62 over 15 will be fine. Tap it in the calculator if you need to. Next one. So here we got a log one, haven't we? It's a logarithm, 6 lots of log of 10 minus 3x, and it's 1 over a. A is minus 3. And that's between 0 and 3. And 6 over minus 3 is just minus 2. Which we could put outside the bracket if we wanted. Minus 2 lots of, isn't it? So that's equal to minus 2 lots of then. Top value, put 3 in. 3 3s are 9, 10 minus 9 is 1. So log 1, which we know is 0. Take away, put 0 in. Log 10. That's the bottom value. So we get minus times a minus is a plus. Log 1 is 0. Minus times minus is a plus, so it's 2 log 10. We can check down a calculator. I'll just check that now. I'm not going to write it down, but 2 log 10. 4.605, which is a bit different to what we've had in the notes. So I better check that, hadn't I, to check I haven't made a mistake. So this one is part 6, e to the 6x. Oh, I've missed out part 6, I've done part 7, which is 2 log 10. So I need to do this one in between. Let's do that one here. Equals e to the ax over a between 0 and 1, which is 1/6. Take the 6th out, put 1 in, e to the 6 minus e to the 0, which is 1. 1/6 e to the 6 minus 1. What do we get? 1 divided by 6 times by bracket e to the 6 minus, just put 1 in there because anything to 0 is 1. 67.07 to 2dp.